What's the meaning of boost? Boost. Boost.
Boost. Boost. Boost is a term used to describe an increase or elevation of something, typically in a positive direction. When something is boosted, it is improved, enhanced, or strengthened beyond its original state. This can refer to physical objects like cars or electronic devices, as well as more abstract things like confidence, performance, or productivity. Boosting can be achieved through various means, such as adding more power, resources, or support, or implementing new techniques or strategies. The end result is a noticeable improvement in the quality, efficiency, or effectiveness of the boosted object or person.